Hey there, fellow Roblox enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, in this video, I am going to show you how to fix high ping in Roblox. So, let's get started. So, the first step in fixing your high ping in Roblox is to check for any background applications hogging up your internet bandwidth. It could be anything from downloads to updates running in the background. Let's take a look. For this, open Task Manager. You can easily access Task Manager by searching for it in your Windows search bar. Type Task Manager in the search bar. And in the results, click on the Task Manager. Once you are in. Now, here, you'll see a list of all the processes running on your system. Look for any applications with high network utilization and close them down. You can do this by selecting the application and then clicking on the End Task button at the bottom right corner. When you do this, the application will be closed, and this should help free up some bandwidth and reduce your ping. Next up, if you're running any antivirus software, consider pausing or off it temporarily. Antivirus programs can sometimes interfere with your connection and cause high ping issues. You can pause or off it by simply clicking on the little arrow located at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then from the pop-up, find the antivirus application. When you find it, then right-click on it. And then from the drop-down menu, click on the Open. Now, once you are in the antivirus application, now, look for an option to pause or disable this app. When you find it, so, click on it to pause or disable. Now, another common culprit for high ping is a weak wireless connection. Try moving closer to your router or, even better, connect directly using an Ethernet cable. If running a cable isn't feasible, consider investing in power line network adapters for a stronger and more stable connection. Now, let's tweak some settings in your Windows Firewall. Open up the Windows Defender Firewall settings by searching for it in the Windows search bar. Once you type Defender Firewall the search bar, you will see it in the results. Click on it. Once you are in. Now, you will see multiple options at the left side of the format. From these options, click on the Advanced Settings. When you click on the Advanced Settings, a new format will appear. Now, here, we'll create some inbound and outbound rules to optimize your connection specifically for Roblox. But first, we need to know which ports Roblox uses. So, minimize this. And then, head over to your favorite search browser. In my case, I am using Google Chrome. Once you are in the browser, now, click on the search bar and type Roblox General Connection Problems. Once you type it in the search bar, then click on the Enter button, and then multiple results will appear in front of you. From these, click on the first link. When you click on the link, a new screen will appear in front of you. In this screen, you'll find a helpful article listing the required ports. Now, scroll down until you find Make sure the appropriate ports are open heading. That says, the ports that Roblox uses is dependent on the operating system used. The port range is currently UDP 4915265535. And importantly note this just like so. And so we'll come back to this. But let's go back to the firewall settings and create those inbound and outbound rules. First, we will see at the left side of the format. And you will see inbound and outbound rules. First click on the inbound rules. And then, at the right side, click on the new rule. And small pop-up will appear. From there select port. And then click on the next. And now, you can see few options here. Now go back to the article. And you can see it says UDP. So, go back to the Defender Firewall. And select UDP. And then from the bottom, select specific local ports that is already selected. Now, go back to the article. And copy this number. Once you copy it, now, just go back to the Defender Firewall. And in the empty field, Paste the numbers that you just copied. And now, remove the spaces between the numbers. But don't remove the dash. Once you remove the spaces, then click on the next. And now, from here select Allow the connection that is already selected. And then click on the next. Now, make sure that all the options is checked. Once it's done, click on Next. Now, the next step is to give a name. In my case, I am giving a name Roblox Inbound. Once you are satisfied, click on the Next. It will be complete. Now, it's time to go to the outbound rules. So, click on it. And then at the right side, click on the new rule. And then, select Port from the options. And then click on the Next. And then, select UDP from the option. And then, from the bottom make sure the specific remote ports is selected. And then in the field, paste the number that you pasted in the inbound rules. Once you paste it, now, remove the spaces between the number. Once you remove them, then click on the Next. Now, from the options, click on the Allow the connection option. And then click on the Next. And then make sure that all the options is selected. And then click on the Next. Now, it's time to give it a name. You can give any name, but I will give Roblox Outbound. Once you are satisfied, then click on the Next. Once you've set up both inbound and outbound rules, you're good to go. Lastly, if you're still experiencing issues, it's always a good idea to check the status of Roblox servers. Open any browser on your PC and type status Roblox in the search bar. And then click on the Enter. Then in the result, click on the first link. When you click on the first link, a new screen will appear. It's official by Roblox, and this is going to go and show you if you've got any sort of issues on Roblox or robots got any issues. And if you click on the status, here as you can see everything does say operational, but there may be downtime, so it's definitely worth checking here. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should hopefully see a significant improvement in your Roblox ping. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.